Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials so you can act fast. Make sure the remote PC is on, awake, and online, and that you have an account with remote access. Once done, open your remote client and enter the host IP or hostname, plus the port, default 3389, so the tool targets the right socket. Make sure credentials match the remote user and that any required network name or domain is specified. This saves wasted steps and clears basic access barriers before deeper troubleshooting. Next, verify the network path to locate where traffic stops. Ping the host and run a trace route to confirm LAN versus WAN routing. If the host is behind NAT, make sure router port forwarding and firewall rules allow TCP/UDP on the correct port, and check VPN settings or split tunnel policies that might block traffic. Also inspect security layers, TLS certificate warnings, NLA network level authentication, and chosen authentication method, because mismatched security requirements frequently block connections and require coordinated fixes. To finish, focus on restoring a usable session. Restart the remote desktop service or session host, and review the remote event logs for errors or service crashes. Once done, test with an alternate client or network, or use a temporary local account to rule out profile issues. If problems persist, capture logs and exact error codes, then attempt a safe mode network boot to isolate drivers or security agents. One key tip: when nothing connects, reboot the remote machine and rerun the same checks. Restarts often clear hung services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.